Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Haven't uploaded in a while. Crypto market is currently going through a roller coaster. Actually, it's going up and down, up and down. Currently we're experiencing some little dump here after Bitcoin hitting 102,000 USD overnight. We're currently at 95,000 USD. So what does it mean? Well, it means quite bluntly that we're having a strong rejection at 102, and we're not holding above the 100k. The good thing is that we're periodically getting over 100k over and over again. So it's becoming the new norm for Bitcoin to hover around 100k, which is an excellent thing. However, having that strong rejection at 102, that signals that we're not having enough volume in the market or enough excitement on the market to push through the 102 and beyond. Why the 102? Well, 102, it's a Fibonacci retracement level. Unfortunately, I couldn't really share my screen right now, but it's just a significant Fibonacci retracement level. So as long as we're just still struggling over the 102, that means that we're still not having enough volume. Once we find enough volume in the market, once there is enough momentum in the market, we break through the 102 and confirm it. The main thing is confirming, breaking over the 102 and not really retesting. We can go potentially all the way to the all-time high around 108,000 USD, and then we can reassess the whole situation. But the main thing is remaining over the 100k for an extended period of time to somewhat flip the support to be over the 100k. Of course, it will be a resistance for now. It is a resistance for now, but once we flip it to be a support, that would be a very massive support. And imagine it being like the 10k back in the days. The 10k, it was a stubborn kind of level for a while, and then we shoot it all the way to 17,000 USD back in 17, I think, as far as I remember. So the thing is that you have to be aware of what's going on in the market and then translate that into also potential movements. Nobody can predict accurately what's going to happen, but in the general scheme of things, we're still very bullish. We're still very we're having some momentum in the market, but it's not really as strong as we're hoping for. The thing is that people are just starting to come back from holiday season. Many investors, many institutions, many traders even are starting to get into the market. So this will create volatility, and volatility actually is quite good. Volatility is where traders are making their money. So if you're shorting, you're longing, you're doing whatever you do, you can potentially make money with these fluctuations and zigzaggy movements in the market. But of course, if you're not really experienced, you can get completely bamboozled in the market if you're not really capable of maneuvering your way around the market fluctuations. So what to do right now, or what's the price target for Bitcoin? By all means, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. I do believe that the price of Bitcoin, as long as we're still below the 100k, that signals that we're still struggling with volume. Once we get over the 100k and get over the 102,000 USD and confirm it, a daily confirmation, meaning that the day candle is just over the 100k close, that means that we potentially can go all the way to the all-time high 108, which is not really that far from 102. So it's very feasible, it's actually very realistic, and then we can reassess the whole situation. Still, we'll leave you with a lot of margin for profit, but you don't get too excited and jump with a high leverage trade hoping for the price to go all the way to 120, 130, 140k. It can reach these numbers actually. 100k years ago, it seemed almost impossible. Many people were just doubting that what do you mean a currency will hit 100k? It's insane. But now it's reality. So 140, 150, 160, even 200, it's not going to be that far. But with the current market situation, it's just realistically speaking not going to be overnight. It will take time, it will take momentum, it will take volume, and it will take many parties being involved in the market. So bear in mind that the market cap is a huge factor right now, and the market cap of Bitcoin, it's so big right now that it couldn't really double or quadruple overnight. It can double or quadruple, but long term, but it's not going to be overnight. So be a bit realistic, understand what's going on in the market, and even if you're interested in any cryptocurrency, you have to always keep an eye on Bitcoin and then translate that into a potential movement in the coin of your choice. Of course, as usual, we'll be updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for attention, and see you next time.